good, YouTube, y'all? We back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we finna go link up with my dog Ty, man. You hear me? He got a Scatpack charger, and my brother, he on the way too. He got a Camaro SS. Finna ride around. How the fuck these people going so slow? We finna link up. We finna ride around the city, man. POV drive, possibly cutting up or whatever. But whatever it is, man, make sure y'all stay tuned. If you new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and like and comment. We got a camera on the way, vlogging camera, so footage and audio gonna be way better, and I wouldn't have to record off my phone anymore, and nobody cannot fuck up my videos when I'm recording, because for some reason every time I press record somebody call me. But yeah, man, probably like the next video I upload, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. It's gonna be better footage, better audio, because I invested in myself and invested on the YouTube channel for y'all, for a professional vlogging camera. So, damn. With that being said, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because we finna get lit, man. We finna get lit. We're gonna be more consistent on the YouTube channel, and possibly soon we're gonna have a new car. Think about CTSV or Hellcat or whatever it is. It's gonna be raw, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be pressed. So y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and I'm gonna pick up the camera whenever we all link, and whenever I feel like it's time to pick y'all boys back up. I'm gonna give y'all a little pull too. I'm gonna put in sport. Is trying to play. I was on his ass, man. Come on, man. Camaro, bro. Y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better. I really taking light on him too. I really. Yeah. Instead of trying to come fuck me. I'm gonna let him have it, man. I already whooped him. I ain't trying to. I lost my people. I don't know where my partner's at. Bullshit too. That would look good though. If I ever get a 15, it'll be a 15 just like that. So you gotta love this shit, dog. Like with the car community, like just like the car people, bro, that shit fun. Like it's just not about going fast. Like it be you being chargers and shit in traffic with some people you don't even know, for real. I'm tired. But on some real shit, these bitches high, but you know what I'm saying, gas high. But you gonna get your fun out of it though, I ain't gonna cap. I mean, I feel like it's worth it. If you want something, if you want a car, If you want it that bad and you be able to pay for it, get it. You know what I'm saying? It might be motivation for some people. You get a car and the car make you want to go to work. The car make you want to get money. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta afford it. You gotta pay for it if you want it. So hey, telling y'all boys, y'all better get what y'all want. Scatpack, Hellcat, Red Eye, whatever. If you want it, get it. If you able to get it, get it. Pay that note. And enjoy your life, because you never know when you're gonna die. Never. 18-wheeler thug, and that boy just jumped in front of me. Drives in the Scatpacks, in the 392s in the Scatpack. He'll be driving the Scatpack in the 392s in the Scatpack. Yeah, I new song. Yeah. Man, this shit's so fun, dog. Hey, bro, it used to be way better than that. When we used to always be like, this ain't nobody. What? Not like nobody. He's my partner, but I'm saying, like, compared to like the cars, y'all. Man, we be having like 20, 30 fucking cars riding with us. But nobody don't be fucking with it like that no more. Shit. It just is at this point. Fuck. Another 18-wheeler gonna hop in front. How we stopped that Sonic. Nigga was hungry as a bit. Got some popcorn chicken, potato tots with a root beer. Y'all want people? Y'all want barbecue on it? Yeah. Y'all took a big ass bite. Damn, nigga, you bit my finger. Damn, you want a piece of chicken? Yeah. God damn, boy.